So the US Citizenship Test is divided into two main components, the English test and the civics test. The English test, for this part of the examination, it has three subsections: reading, writing, and speaking. For the civics test, this portion covers important U.S. history and government topics. It consists of 100 questions, and during your naturalization interview, you will be asked up to 10 or 20 of these 100 civics questions, depending on the version you are taking. If 10, you must answer 6 of those 10 questions correctly to pass the civics test. To prepare and pass the test, you can study with USCIS study materials, use flashcards and online practice tests, attend preparatory classes if available in your community or online, practice English reading, writing, and speaking regularly. Now remember, the exact structure and content of the test may vary slightly based on changes of government or policy, so it's essential to use the most recent study materials from the USCIS website or other trusted sources.